Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, here to introduce you to the Brasero from Yoder Smokers. This is asado style cooking on the Yoder Smokers El Dorado. This is a truly interactive type of cooking where we're burning down splits of wood, turning them into coals, raking them underneath the grilling grates, and then low and slow cooking food for hours. While this is referred to as asado style cooking, asado at its core is really just a gathering around the grill, a social event. Now for the setup, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this original grate that covers half of the grill. The Brasero comes with a quarter-sized grate that fits right here, right next to where our Brasero is getting installed. But first we gotta lift this thing up. Pop open that door. So we're just gonna place this on the far left side of our cooking surface with the spacers that bump right up against the bricks. Now we can start to lower this down. I'm gonna bring it all the way down for now. Doesn't mean we have to cook this way the whole time, but this is the easiest way to access the Brasero. I'm gonna start with a base of lump charcoal, and we'll add some wood on top of that, but this will give us a really nice heat base. Just want to find some pieces that are big enough to not fall through, then we can put some smaller ones on top. Put some smaller pieces on top. If any of these fall through, no big deal. They'll light eventually. We're going to throw a couple fire starters underneath and light them with the torch. We're just going to set some splits of wood on top. Make sure that they've got some air to breathe and to ignite. Starting to break down, getting some coals falling through. So we're just gonna keep feeding this thing logs. And this is kind of the interactive part of this style of cooking, is we're just gonna keep feeding this. Keep this thing full so it's constantly producing coals. And then we can rake over whatever's falling through. This is a really fantastic cooking experience, a great way to get really involved with your food. Whether it's low or slow or you're getting a lot of heat, you've got options. You can raise this up, you can spread your coals out, but you can do anything you would cook anywhere. Your proteins, like this tri-tip, a bunch of peppers, and it's super engaging. It's a great way to get the family to gather around the grill and cook up a meal, maybe for hours on end. As always, you can check out the Yoder Smokers Brasero and any other products you see on our channel at atbbq.com. Be good.